Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Roblox client not detecting after installation on your Windows PC. The first solution is to remove corrupted Roblox files from the local app data folder. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog box. Type %local app data % and press Enter. A File Explorer window will open. Find the folder named Roblox. Right-click the folder and choose Delete. This removes damaged files that may prevent Roblox from detecting the installed client. After deleting the folder, restart your computer before trying Roblox again. If the problem continues, the next step is to run Roblox with administrator permission. Find your Roblox shortcut on the desktop or locate the Roblox executable file. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. This gives Roblox the permissions it needs to access required folders and files. Now launch Roblox again and check if the client is detected correctly. If Roblox still asks you to install the client, download the latest installer from the official Roblox website and install it again after removing the old files. Thanks for watching.